Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator receives subtle yet impactful design updates. The signature Lincoln grille has been slightly redesigned, featuring a more intricate pattern that adds to its upscale appeal. The LED headlights are slimmer and more dynamic, providing enhanced visibility and a modern look. New wheel designs range from 20-inch to 22-inch options, adding to the Aviator's commanding stance. The side profile remains sleek and aerodynamic, with chrome accents and soft body lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. At the back, the full-width LED taillight bar has been updated for a more striking appearance, and the sculpted rear bumper integrates chrome exhaust tips, emphasizing the SUV's luxury and power. Stepping inside, the 2025 Aviator offers a first-class experience with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather, real wood, and brushed metal accents, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The updated 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen now runs Lincoln's latest sync system, offering faster response times and enhanced connectivity. A fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster provides real-time driving information with customizable displays. The available 30-way perfect position seats come with heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort. Rear passengers also get premium treatment, with available captain's chairs, climate control, and a panoramic sunroof that enhances the airy feel. The Revel Ultima 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every drive feel luxurious. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Aviator comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive driving. For those seeking efficiency and power, the Grand Touring plug-in hybrid variant combines the V6 engine with an electric motor, generating a combined 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid version offers an estimated 30 miles of all-electric range, making it a great option for eco-conscious drivers. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth and composed ride, while available all-wheel drive provides added confidence in various road conditions. As for pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator starts at around $58,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded Black Label and Grand Touring trims can exceed $90,000. With its blend of luxury, advanced technology, and strong performance, the Aviator remains a top choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. What do you think of this refined luxury SUV? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HK Auto Garage for more exciting car reviews.